It's a funny thing about us LA108ers that we're all willing to dress with style when we want to impress somebody. But how many of us think about writing with style when we want to impress our readers or who knows, even seduce them a little bit, right? So this module is a good one because we're going to be looking at Kurt Vonnegut's rather old essay, which is becoming a bit of a classic, called How to Write with Style. We're going to go through his pointers and then we're going to apply it to our own writing. So this is a nice tune up as you polish off your process analysis presentation and get prepared to write your art review. Enjoy.